Guys, how are you doing? This is part 2 to yesterday's video, and before we get started, guys, if you're new to the world of RC and you're thinking of getting started or you have got started, I've built a Kev's RC Basher School where I'll teach you everything you need to know about the world of bashing RC cars. And you know, when you're new to this hobby, you can make a whole ton of costly mistakes. So check out the course down below, guys. Make sure you get maximum enjoyment out of this hobby, and also you don't spend any more money than what you need to. Alright guys, let's get into the video. Last time we came up here, guys, I was running the plastic shocks on there and it smashed them all off. So now we're going to see if these alloy ones are actually going to take the beating better or not. Oh! Upside down! Landed on its head! That was a nasty landing. What do you make of that, Stephen?
Smashed it.
Oh, it came out.
Yeah.
Oh, you ripped it out.
Ooh. Yeah, ripped the screws up. I've never done that before.
What happened?
I went over one of the small ramps and it completely ruined it.
Was that on the skate park?
Yeah.
Oh no! That's game over for you. Oh. Those tyres are actually really well made, aren't they?
Yeah.
So, while we was over there playing, these kids over here have destroyed all their cars. What's happened?
That one's not working at all.
Oh.
This one's okay.
The steering.
Who broke it?
That one.
I
Yeah.
broke that out
I
somehow,
broke this
but I don't know how.
The steering's all
And
right
look,
on
he
that.
did this to it. Yeah, I did
What the hell's that?
I'm landing everything. Everything I landed.
He's
That
landing
sound was so
fleet.
smooth.
Oh! What's happened?
Did you see something fell out?
Oh, steering's died. What fell out?
Is this it?
Yeah, that's the steering component. Alright, you know what that means? Flat out over there. Spreading down, air it out. Alright guys, steering's just died. So we're just going to air it out. Here we go. Oh! Oh, and the shock's come off. But that's alright, we can ping it back on. Stop! Oh, that tyre's going to come off, man. Oh! 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 Oh, backflip! Oh, yes, and he lands it! Savage is taking it today. Corey's doing backflips, good boy. Nice. Nice. Oh my good God, double backflip. And it's still alive. Oh. What did he do? Is that more fun than Fortnite? Yeah, see?
It is a lot more fun than Fortnite.
Yes.
Especially skating.
Yes. Anything real is more fun, isn't it? Oh, broke it.
Oh, it's falling.
Broke it.
Oh, he's bleeding.
He broke it. Shock's off. Oh, I think it just popped off. Oh, the cap's off though.
Oh.
I think it needs to go to hospital.
Will you come to it, Noah?
Look.
Are you really naughty boy?
Oh.
Uh-oh.
He's gonna get a smack.
Metal spokes, so yes.
It could do. You never know.
That almost crawled down really nicely. What car do you enjoy the most, Gordon? Your Stampede. Do you enjoy that?
Oh!
Oh,
Arse end landing. All my stuff's dead. Look, everything's broken. That's broken, that's broken, that's broken. That's broken. That's alive. That's broken.
Oh, that was going to get you in the head.
Nearly a headshot.
Headshot.
Dad just laughs.
Headshot. Game over.
He's getting good at those backflips though.
Yeah.
Oh no,
backflips.
Well, that's good going. The one that's been unreliable every time we've been out.
It's the one that survived.
Yeah. It's just, yeah.
Yeah. Oh!
So that bit's like broken, it's pulled the screw through, I think. And then, oh, yeah, that looks freaky.
Is it wash off bodgeable?
Possibly.
Alright guys, that was a brilliant day's bashing. Good weather, good bashing, good fun, lot of breakages. So if you like this video guys, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash that bell button to stay notified. See you soon guys, bye.